Look at this. It's cold. It's very, very, very cold. It's May 14th. It snowed last night. What a crock of shit. Also, Sergeant really needs to get their seats heated faster. I'm just now starting to feel it. Well, good morning everyone. Just a quick video, I guess. I'm back from Benelux region. Had a great time. You would have already seen the video by now. On the way back home last night from Boston, there was snow and ice in the forecast. Look, what's this shit? Look at that snow over there. Yep. It's mostly melted now, but we got some snow last night. Heather advised me not to ride this morning. Yeah, we actually got a lot of snow, I would say. Like an inch? For May, that's a lot of snow. I'm just pissed. I mean, it's ridiculous. And it's rained the last 7 days in a row. Well, it's rained like the last 20 days in a row. As you guys know, the last 4 weekends in a row I've camped out. It's been raining. So all the dirt trails that we would be out riding right now are still completely muddy, like total mud pits. Our mud season usually ends around the first week of May. We're in the third week of May and it's still mud season. It's just been a shitty spring up here in New Hampshire. Snow, rain, mud. I had the heat turned on back last night. I turned the heat back on in the house because it was cold when I got home. I'm kind of pissed, to be honest. Luckily, no salt went down last night. I think it's just wiping the roads. I probably shouldn't have ridden actually, now that I think about it. That was pretty stupid. But the alternative, well, it's a safer alternative, is that my Golf is on summer tires. And those summer tires say don't operate below 45 degrees. Yeah, okay, I regret riding this morning. I'm just gonna take it real slow, take it easy, and then so I'll be gone by the time I get to the office. Just no turning. Oh, you know, no lean angle. Just keep it upright. But you know, I'm just a little bit annoyed that this winter has dragged on so long. I've said it in a video a few weeks ago, but our winter started the last week of October this year. I'm really selling the concept of you guys moving up here, aren't I? Hey, come to New Hampshire and Vermont. Move here. It's fantastic. Do you love riding? Do you like riding 3 months out of the year? Come to New Hampshire and Vermont. Got a thumbs up. I always really appreciate it when guys, you know, don't pull in front of me. Yeah, I'm just a little bit bummed. Jesse and I Saturday are doing we're gonna do the route for Dirt Days. I'm in charge of the Northeast route, so he and I are gonna ride it together, get some pictures, log some tracks, just make sure the time works, make sure that the route I set up is gonna work as far as the timing of it. And that's Saturday morning, and I'll probably need the dirt bike. The GS cannot do that ride yet because it's too muddy. I don't have knobbies on this thing yet, so okay. I don't have knobbies yet on this bike, so I think I'm taking the beta for that. And the beta it's going to be like an 80-mile day. So, it's probably fine, but I'm just a little bit cautious. I mean, it's 38 degrees now, but it did snow last night. Just trying to be really careful. So yeah, but I mean, like, you know, he and I months ago planned this Saturday ride, around like behind Lyme, New Hampshire, over to the Green Mountains. Sorry, White Mountains. I was getting confused. And we're still going to do it. It's going to be on the dirt bike. It's just annoying. You know, last year we went on an April 15th ride, a trail ride, like, you know, Class 6 roads. And I was in the GS, but I had knobbies. And we hit some patches of snow and ice, we did. But it was fine. It was wet, but it wasn't mud season anymore. There's little bits of patch of like fucking snow, little bits of patches of, you know, clumps of ice. And there's one thing that was just a long thing of ice. There was a shady area. You guys can see my timidness today. It's a whole month past that this year, and we're still getting snowed on. I'm in the video now. This is just kind of a bitch session, I guess. I just feel a little bit like defeated today with the weather. You know, like Frosty Nuts was 2 weeks ago. That's supposed to be the end of it, and it wasn't. Oh well. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go to the office and catch up after a week of being away for work, but I just couldn't get all the things that I wanted to get done last week. So I got to catch up. And hopefully I don't low side on this shit. I'm on the more trafficked roads now, so it should be okay. Well, this weekend is our first trail riding of the year. We're going to camp out in the woods and do trail riding on the dirt bikes, and it's going to be so muddy. It is. And definitely. I mean, we were supposed to do it. We did a month earlier last year, and there was like ice everywhere, but that's expected. 90-degree weather last year. Well, hey, Monday looks like it's good though. 80. Yeah. So we're not. It's right on the edge, I think. Yeah.